guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know who I am James, and I created this channel because I wanted to, obviously. But if you can hear me, I post videos so I can get subscribers and be like other YouTubers like Sniper Wolf, Mr. Beast, and I'm posting this video on my channel to confirm that I want to be a YouTuber and subscribers. If you're watching this, you may know that I posted shorts where I dance, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. And I hope that you will enjoy my videos. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I will post. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!